Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Boombox 3. In this video I'll show you how to activate Party Boost feature. In the beginning, make sure that your speaker is connected with your smartphone and make sure that other speakers also have Party Boost function. Now, take a look at the top of the speaker. Right here we've got the link button. Press this button simultaneously on all available speakers. And that's basically it. All of the speakers should connect to each other automatically. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.